Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the batteries in this 2GIG Glassbreak sensor. The tools we'll need for this job is two CR1238 batteries, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. In order to reach the batteries in the back, what we're going to do is we're going to hold our sensor and we're going to turn the sensor counterclockwise. Once it stops moving, we're then going to remove the bottom plate from the sensor and flip it upside down. Here is where we're going to locate the batteries. We're then going to take these batteries out and replace it with the new ones. We'll replace the batteries the way that is indicated on the sensor with the negative and positive and negative and positive. Once our batteries have been replaced, we're going to flip the sensor to the side and locate the little notch on the edge. There's going to be a similar notch on the edge of the back plate, which we can see is located right there. We're then going to line up these two notches together, press it firmly together so there's no gaps, and then we're going to turn the sensor clockwise. Once we've turned the sensor clockwise and we hear the click, we're finished our installation. And that's it.